Hello, my name is Raya, and today I'm going to present to you a new and exciting feature we added to Cloudinary's client-side SDKs we call the Advanced Image Component. With our current client-side SDKs, such as React, Vue, and Angular, you can do all sorts of amazing things, like easily present media from Cloudinary in your project, transforming your media, and handle the responsiveness of your site. We now want to take it to the next level and let the ready-made image component handle many common front-end tasks such as lazy loading, placeholding, accessibility, and zooming. Just ask the component to support any of those, and we do the rest. So let's take a deep dive and see how these changes were added to our Angular SDK. Note that this will soon be available in React and Vue as well. Lazy loading an image means that the image will only load when it's needed. For example, when the user scrolls down and the image is about to enter the viewport. Using lazy loading is recommended in all cases, but if your website contains lots of images, which are not all present at once, this can have a significant impact on your site's load time. Now all you need to do is add the syntax loading equals lazy to your CL image component. The image that contains this attribute will be lazy loaded, meaning the image will only load what's in the viewport. As you can see, down in the Network tab, images will only load once they are in the viewport. The next feature that we added is the Placeholder Component. The Placeholder Component is a much smaller, lower quality version of the original image. Page load time is important, and image download is a huge part of that time. For improving the load time, we suggest first loading a tiny, low-quality image that will be used as a placeholder for the real image that will be downloaded right after. You would apply it as a nested component to your CL image component. There are several types that can be applied to your placeholder image where it defaults to a lower quality blurred image. Here you can see the size of the original image versus the size of the lower quality placeholder. The recommended approach is to use both placeholder and lazy load, so the real image will be downloaded only when needed. You can see here that the placeholder image is loaded in the background and would be replaced by the original image only when entering the viewport. Now let's talk about accessibility. Supporting accessibility features for visual impairments is a requirement for any modern application. There are countless widgets that let the user customize the app in a way that will be most convenient visually. But how your app reacts to the customization is up to you. For example, asking to change the app's theme to dark mode is a common need and usually handled by changing the CSS. This approach usually misses an important aspect of your app, the images. If you want to assist your user all the way, it's important that when asked to change to dark mode, the images will transform as well to darker versions of themselves. So now, with the accessibility mode, this is possible by adding the attribute accessibility equals dark mode. There are several other types that we offer with the accessibility mode where you can see the following differences.